Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So tonight I want to show you a drink that I got out of the book Sammy Hagar's Cooking and Partying Handbook. This is an excellent drink. I'm so fond of this drink, and I'm actually fond of his rum. So this one I want to show you. The whole idea of this channel is simple cocktails at home. And this is a simple 3-ingredient cocktail. I mean, you can't mess up there. The star of the show is going to be Sammy's Beach Bar Redhead Macadamia Nut Rum. And then we use a little Citron. Now he used Grey Goose La Citron, but we're going to use Smirnoff Citron in this case, okay? Citron on Citron. If you have a different one you prefer, you can use that. But I grabbed this in my grocery store last night because I was out. So let's show you how simple this is. Get to it, Ray. Come on. Okay. So the first thing I always tell you is make sure you get a glass filled with ice so it gets cold while you're making the drink. Now this is so simple. Now I'm going to kind of do this backwards. Sometimes it's good to do the liquors last because if you mess up, you don't have to dump a good drink. So let's do this backwards. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Grab a pineapple juice out of our little cooler here. Now I like these little doughs. Now they are sweetened. You can use unsweetened if you want, but I like these because you can shake the hell out of them because they're so small, and you don't use that much of them up. Okay. So let's put 2 ounces of our pineapple juice in there. Right up to the top is 2 ounces. Also, let's get some ice out of our whiz bang ice maker and fill our shaker up about 3/4 of the way. Then what we want to do is we want to use 1.5 ounces of our Citron. Throw that in our shaker. Then we simply want to put in 3/4 of an ounce of our Sammy Hagar or Sammy's Beach Bar Rum Macadamia Nut. I'm really falling in love with this stuff. This stuff is so good. It's good as a topper. Throw that in our shaker. And then we're just going to give this a good shake. Give that a good shake for about 10-11 seconds. And try not to make faces while you're doing it. What's that? 11 seconds, that was the count. But when your hand starts to get pretty cold, you know you're there. Okay, grab yourself a strainer. Good thing you had that ready. Okay, we're going to pour the ice out of our glass. That's nice and cold now. We're simply gonna, you know what? I'm gonna keep the ice. I'm just gonna free pour it. And then we're gonna strain the rest. Because I don't want to give up any of that Sammy's macadamia. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our fronds off our pineapple. Put those in the back there. And we're going to pull ourselves off a sprig of mint. Give that a slap. Give that a slap to wake up. And then I'm gonna make it look pretty. I'm gonna throw an orange in there just to make it look pretty. And there we have Sammy's Macadamia Cocktail. Done. Let's give that a whirl without poking our eye out. Let's put a couple straws in there and be civilized. Now what you want to do is you want to put a couple straws in there, but put them right where the mint is, so that when they take a sip out of it, take a big nose full of mint. I can find the straw. Oh, this is so good. You got to make this. I'm really loving this Sammy's Macadamia Nut Redhead. Everybody I'm turning this on to can't get enough of this stuff. You got to try this out. It is really good. Once again, I would love it if you would subscribe to me, like this, share it with somebody. But I would really like it also if you would send me back a comment. Let me know. Do you like Sammy Hagar? Do you like Sammy's Beach Bar Rum? Have you read the book? Have you seen my review on this? Do you like Sammy's Beach Bar Rum altogether? Do you like rum? Let me know, okay? I sure like to know. Let me know some things you think I can do a little better too. I appreciate that, okay? And like I tell you, my friends, don't ever forget, at the end of the day, you've had a hard day, you got a nice drinking in, and it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch you next time. See you later. Wow.